Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello, all my superstars out there. Hope everyone's doing well today. This is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so very, very much for joining me today. I appreciate it so very, very much. Just knowing that you guys take precious time out of your day to watch me is such a blessing. So thank you. You guys don't forget to hit the like button. That helps the channel. It's not just mine, it's yours too. So remember that. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing if you enjoy the content. If you're new here, I do stash videos, which means out of my personal stash. I do have budget friendly and some premium canvases that I share with you occasionally. And I do haul videos. I do completions sometimes. I also do lives twice a week usually. I have scheduled lives on Mondays and Thursdays. So if any of that interests you, please consider subscribing. All right, let's get to it. What do I have? Amazon. So I've been going through Amazon and looking for more for sales, mainly because most people are on a budget right now. You know, prices of things have gone up. It's very difficult when you craft, and you know, diamond painting is a craft. But if you diamond paint, finding, you know, good prices, because Temu has gone up on their prices. I saw Shein had gone up on their prices. Even AliExpress has gone up on theirs. So, so I do look for those. So I found a few on Amazon that were nice prices. So I decided to get them. I am on a low buy this year, which means I'm not going to spend a lot of money. I've had to budget. I've had to budget so that I could buy some diamond paintings. So I just go look for those nice low prices, and you can find them. You can filter on Amazon something. You know, you can filter by price. So that's what I do. And I'm also a Prime member, so I always hit the Prime button so that I don't have to pay shipping. So that's another little trick if you're a Prime member. Make sure that you hit that Prime button so you know you're not going to have to pay shipping. I did see some very nice price, like $1.59 for diamond paintings, but it was $8 in shipping. So, you know, I wouldn't have saved anything. All right, first diamond painting. Oh dear, I'm trying to get that off of there. So this has the pink pen. It's got a 3-placer. There's a couple plates of wax in there, it looks like, some baggies, and our tray. So all you need to diamond paint. And the colors come on the silver train. I'm going to give this a little roll back because the one thing with Amazon, they fold a lot of their paintings and leave that crease right down the center. This is a very bright colored painting, and I know a lot of you out there love those bright colors. I do as well. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't remember the price I paid for this, but I will link them in the description box below so you can go over and check them out. I want to say I paid $4.99 for this. And this is a 35 by 35. I did not pay more than $6 for any one diamond painting. I will say that. I'm just going to straighten this a little. This has 25 colors. Not bad for a 35 by 35. And look at all those bright, beautiful colors, the flowers, and in this beautiful butterfly. Now, this will probably be a bit confetti heavy with all the colors and how that is, you guys. That is beautiful. Drill field looks very clear. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 8 on the legend, and then 9 through 25 are uppercase letters in alpha order. So that's very nice. Let's have a look at the drill field. As you can see there, very clear, very nice. Lots of color changes. There is, it looks like there's some line blocking there down the center, and there is, on the background, there is some color blocking. I'm going to move this just slightly there. I don't want to make anybody dizzy, so there you see that. And we will go back out a little so that we can see these beautiful colors, y'all. Look at that. And these look like they're going to match the, yeah, look at that bright blue, those bright greens, yellows, oranges. This is round drill. Let's see if we can see all these, because I see some bright reds and bright pinks down in there too. You see all those? Just beautiful. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. All right. What do we have next? I'm gonna move that off to the side. Oh, this next one I fell in love with, and I believe Miss Southern Belle showed this on her live. I sent this to her after I ordered mine, and she got hers before I got mine. But she loved it too, so you guys probably know it is a portrait. I gotta get the sticky off here. All right, it is a portrait. Oh wow, this kit comes with, that looks like a multi-placer of 9 multi-placer. There's a straightener in there. Let's see if I can get this loose without tearing the bag. Sorry about that, guys. There's some baggies in here, 2 pins, and a squishy, and a big plate of pink, light pink wax in there. Nice little kit. And then, of course, the drills come on the silver trains. I am going to give this just a slight roll backward. This is a little stiffer canvas. Oh my goodness, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Oh yes, she is a 30 by 40. She has 26 colors. Wow, 26 colors. A 30 by 40, that's nice. The legend, one is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 8, and then 9 through 26 are uppercase letters in alpha order. She is beautiful. And we have an event coming up on Starlight Starbright's channel. The event is in August this year of portraits. That's what Miss Southern Belle wanted for the month of August. So she would be perfect for that. She is gorgeous, just beautiful. Look at those flowers. Wow, there is some confetti in here, although there's quite a bit of line blocking. And a little color blocking. Let's get a little closer so we can see that drill field. There's that. Down here at the bottom of the canvas, there's, there we go, some confetti. It's a nice mixture of both confetti and line blocking. Look at those eyes. Beautiful. She is beautiful. Oh. There we go. And then here are all those beautiful colors. I don't know what is up with the, there we go. These are so opaque. Sometimes, maybe if I can pull these out. Maybe I need to start pulling them out because they're all connected, I think. Oh, maybe not. I can do this, though. Yeah, this is weird. This is weird. Okay. We'll put this away. And then we'll do it from the side here. Look at that. Look at those colors. So, so pretty. Very, very pretty. All right. So again, she's a round drill, 30 by 40, 26 colors. Okay, what's next? I should have probably opened this box, cut through it with the plastic. Oh. This isn't one of the Luluo Pixel packs. So on the front it tells you this is the Wildcats. And it gives you a description. The canvases on this one are 7.87 inches by 7.87 inches. And the mosaic is 6.3 by 6.3 inches. And it's nice. It comes in a box. So if storing them till you get them all done, that's nice. Very nice. Let's see if I can get in it. Yeah. All right. So here's what the inside of the box looks like. You get a 3-placer, pen, squishy tray, large plate of blue wax, and a pair of metal angled scissors. And then you get several baggies. I'm not sure how many. Then your drills. And safety instructions for diamond painting kits. You get, let me turn it over, I know. Stickers, oh, I didn't, for 55 colors. And then I'm covering this up, but there's your legend, and it has 49 colors. On the back of this card, it tells you how to start your diamond painting, and then follow them on social media to share your creations, connect with fellow crafters, and join exciting giveaways. Wow. So there's the scan code. It has their website and then their info for emailing if you have questions. So there is that. I don't remember how many this one may only have, let's see, 6. This has 6 diamond paintings. I think I paid $3.99 for this. Well, if I can get them out of the plastic, that would be wonderful. I can't get a hold of them. There we go. All right, here we go. Here's a little leopard. Here's some male and female lion, or maybe a cub and its daddy. All right, I called that one a leopard, but I don't know what's the difference between a jaguar, leopard, and a cheetah. But there's that one. Here's the tigers. Here's a cougar. Beautiful. And 2 black panthers. Just gorgeous. Okay, let's come down and see the drill field. There's the drill field. So it's got symbols, numbers, letters. And is this one square? No, this one is a round drill. It is round. So you see there's a couple training circles on there. And then we have the drills. Very pretty. 49 colors. Lots of beautiful colors in there. Yes, yes, and yes. That is awesome. All right, guys. So that is what I have for you today. Go back through these really quick. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button on your way out if you like this video, or hit the thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Those are those. Here's the beautiful lady. And then here is the beautiful butterfly. So you guys, thank you again so very, very much for joining me. Remember, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind to others. You never know what a difference you might make in that person's day, or even their life, just by giving them a smile or a kind word. We never know what others are going through. So please do that. God bless each and every one of you. And until next time, I'll see y'all. Bye-bye now.